Discover the transformative power of compound interest, a financial tool that can accelerate wealth growth exponentially. Compound interest is the snowball effect of earning interest on interest, creating a powerful cycle of growth. Unlike simple interest, compound interest amplifies returns by reinvesting earnings, creating a snowball effect of exponential growth. Witness the snowball effect in action as a modest $1,000 investment grows into a substantial sum over time. Factors like dividend yield, growth rate, and compounding frequency can accelerate or decelerate the snowball effect's momentum. Embracing a long-term investment horizon is crucial to fully capitalize on the compounding effect and build substantial wealth. Successful investors in companies like Warren Buffett and Dividend Kings exemplify the transformative potential of compound interest. Diversification and seeking professional guidance are essential to maximize the benefits of compound interest while mitigating risks. Starting early and remaining patient are key, as the snowball effect takes time to gain momentum but leads to exponential growth. Overcoming psychological and behavioral hurdles is essential to staying invested for the long term and reaping the full benefits of compound interest. Compound interest can have a profound impact on achieving financial goals like retirement planning, wealth building, and generational wealth transfer. Unlock the transformative potential of compound interest by taking action today and implementing these strategies in your financial life. Embark on your journey towards financial freedom by harnessing the power of compound interest.